Okay, let's take a look at this Annoyed Alien Love Fuggler here that I just got. So this is the 9-inch plush. So compared to the size of my hand, you can see the box it comes in. This one's got the gold heart, Love Fug right there. There's the design on the back, pretty nice. So here you go. He's got the nice big gold heart. There's some red here. You got the arrow going through the heart. This is nice and shiny. He is nice and soft. Got the short red hair there. Got the 3 slit eyes. Got a bunch of human teeth in there. Tongue sticking out. Really pretty cute there. It's nice and soft as well. And then here on the back, you've got the buttonhole there on the back. So yeah, super cute. Perfect for Valentine's. He's red and gold. The heart. So yeah, perfect gift to give someone. A special someone. Great for Valentine's, birthday, whatever. So yeah, if you are looking for one of these, definitely pick this one up.